Hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab, and today, new product ad. It is a T6, 3-inch tube to T6 billet flange, 304 stainless steel. Goodness. Same with our other flanges that we already have in stock. They accept either 10 M10 or 3/8 bolts. This is a 15 millimeter headed M10. And you can see I can drop my ratchet wrench on there. I try to avoid threads because I don't like the idea of bolts getting stuck and golving up and breaking off inside your flange, and I bet you don't either. These are pretty beefy units. They are about 1.5 inches. Can you guys see that? Yeah, about 1.5 inches from the base to the tube. The top of the tube port there. Seriously beefy guys that pull a lot of heat out while you weld, so you're going to get nice welds off of these. They're going to be on sale on the website that you're probably already on, or it's going to be in the link above or below depending on how you're viewing this. $115 each. We have all these guys in stocks. Our T4 3-inch, our T4 2.5-inch. Literally hundreds of these guys in stock, ready to ship. But you don't have to wait for them to be made. You can order now and they'll ship now. So again, I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the products, checking out my videos on YouTube if you follow that. And until next time, this is Mike Monkey Fab signing out.